My name's Tom DiPlacido, and I'm the owner of DiPlacido Development Corp. Right here in southeastern Massachusetts. A gentleman that we've worked with over many years said, Tom, you should take a look at these GREEs. And then after talking with Nancy over at Plumbing Supply New England, we realized how good GREE was. We realized that it was well stocked. They could get parts, great service, great follow-up, answer questions, and answered many needs that were problems with other units. This particular spot is a 40-lot subdivision. These are all GREE units in here. We have at least 80 homes that we've installed GREE in over the last 2 years. The demographic that we exposed GREE to went from an over 55 retirement community where we are here now to actually first-time homeowners and first-time renters moving in, and all of the comments were positive. They're believers in the mini-splits, the GREE units, and what we've achieved with them. Everybody's concerned about what can we do for the environment, how we can be more green. As we look back, we see how nature integrates into the home building process. GREE helps us to achieve that. I have to tell you that with our success with GREE, we have no other consideration of any other unit out there. We'll move forward with a long-term relationship with GREE and Plumbing Supply New England to keep up this quality product.